the 2024 United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, themed Leaving No One Behind, Acting Together for Peace, Sustainable Development and Human Dignity. Ronald Chagoury Jr., Vice Chairman of Eco-Atlantic, emphasizes the importance of these initiatives.
Leapfrog in terms of sustainability and in terms of environmental and social sustainability. Well, we're inviting a lot of our developers to build green buildings. A couple of our developers ended up getting IFC EDGE certification, which allows for resource efficiency. What that does for the city is it creates a more resilient city because we consume less resources, so less electricity, less water.
Chagoury further explains the long-term benefits of such initiatives. What that does for the city is it creates a more resilient city because we consume fewer resources, less electricity, less water. He views these sustainable practices not as obstacles, but as opportunities. It could be perceived as challenging, whereas it actually is an opportunity. The more our buildings are efficient, the more economic benefits we will get.